It's kind of a weird hat. Somebody told me I should wear it in a video. Here you go. I like to bring to you parts of Thailand that people don't normally go to, or not as many people go to. And today I'd like to talk about Khon Kaen. That's right, Khon Kaen. The K's initially in Thailand are pronounced like a G, and if they want you to know it's pronounced like a K, they'll put an H after it. So it's Khon Kaen, not Khon Kaen or whatever other people say. It's Khon Kaen. It has tones, but don't worry about the tones. Khon Kaen. If you get it that way, you'll be okay. It's located up in the northeast of Thailand, an area that we call Isan.
And my nephew and I recently drove through Isan. Isan is a very underrated place to visit, and in this video we're going to talk specifically about Khon Kaen. It's got everything. It's got a happening party scene. One of the places I really enjoy is called Tawan Dang. Most major cities in Thailand have a Tawan Dang, and I really like the one in Khon Kaen. It's pretty happening. As the night goes on, it gets wilder and more fun. It gets kind of crazy at times, but it's a blast. It's completely safe. Everybody's having a good time. So whatever town you're in, be sure to check out Tawan Dang. It's always a great time. Hey, yeah. Tawan Dang, Thailand, in most major cities. Khon Kaen has an excellent one.
Something's going on, all these police and stuff.
Of course, there is a lot of cultural things to experience. This is a sport called Takra. We saw just walking down the street. We visited Gu Prapachai. Lots of cool architecture. Again, it's Thailand, so you're going to have tons of culture, things to see, but Khon Kaen in particular is very rich in history, culture, food. You're never going to run out of things to do, and of course they have big malls and all that kind of thing, all the modern conveniences. I was surprised to see a well-stocked health food store and restaurant, gluten-free, vegan, sugar-free. Pretty much whatever you need to suit your modern diet. As we walked through this park, they were playing movies. Khon Kaen has a lot of nice parks. They're sort of famous for dinosaurs, so sometimes you will see a dinosaur theme.
Continuing about Khon Kaen, very modern, everywhere you go. Faster Wi-Fi than other parts of Thailand. People are cool. It's going to be a younger crowd almost everywhere you go. Things are more hip. More people have tattoos and stuff like that. Lots of live music. Lots of places to eat. That's almost everywhere in Thailand.
I like Isan better than Chiang Mai and Chiang Rai.
Whoa! There's something for you. If you have a chance, go to Khon Kaen, check it out. You won't be disappointed.
มาหลอกคักเว้ยหลอกคักจักว่าลูกไผโนแฟนผู้ใดบ่มีป้ายแขวนคอมาตกหลุมความหลอกต้องขอโทษคักเด้อคัก